Today we're going to change the engine air filter on a 2014 through 2020 Kia Sedona. Step number 1. Open the latch. Step 2. Secure the hood. Step 3. Locate the air box. In this case, it's here. As you can see, air intake goes into the box. Now, every car has a different style, and it's always interesting to see how they make these. In this car, instead of a bunch of clamps, they gave a lid that you says pull. So you pull it, and it comes up. And then if you notice, right up here, there's a sign that says lock, unlock. So turn these plastic tabs towards unlock. That in the back unclips it. And then you should be able to pull the filter right out. As you can see, things are a little dirty on one side and pretty clean on the other side, which is as expected. Now it's a good time to inspect inside the box to make sure that there's no debris in there. It's not much, but I would stick in a vacuum and quickly suck up anything that's in there, including leaves. It's not bad at all. Anyway, I'll go ahead and change it with a new one at this point. Here I have a Spearhead max thrust air filter. The number for it is MT943 for this Kia. Pure later equivalent A39155 and Fram CA11943. I like Spearhead mainly because their fitment is pretty good and their material is pretty good as well. So I'm gonna just use it. I'll put the link on the bottom from Amazon. It's about $15 or whatever it is. Here we got the new filter. It only goes one way, thankfully. As you can see, it goes with the stock on the top. If you put it flipped, it doesn't fit. There's a little catch down here. So it only goes one way, which makes it much easier. Slip it in, turn those things to the lock position. Just kind of convenient, I would say. Make sure that the rubber is sealing up against the housing. And once you feel like it's not moving and it's sealed up against the housing, then we can put the lid in, close it up. Done. That's how you'll change an engine air filter on a 2014 through 2020 Kia Sedona. All the models, LX, EX, SX, whatever trim that is. This is how you change it. All right. Check out the other video I have for the cabin air filter as well for this van, and you may be able to save another $50 to $100 if you go ask the dealer to change this. You can change it yourself by getting one of these filters for less than $15 and save some money. All right, let's move on to the next video.